to kids. Oh my god, Carl is now in the same room that I was in 1 week ago.
No
What's
joke,
happening?
actually.
Like literally, this the same nurse even.
It's actually very funny. I mean, it's not funny.
It's not
but
funny at all.
But it is a little bit ironic. Like it is quite funny actually.
Yes. And how are you doing, bro? What happened to you?
So yeah, as you guys know, I broke my collarbone a few days ago, and I wanted to let it heal properly, like naturally, but it didn't really heal very well. So the doctor told me better I just do surgery, which I did now yesterday, and yeah, I'm in a tremendous amount of pain right now.
Insane. And do you think you can make it to the panel today? I don't think you should.
I know we have a panel today, but I don't know. Like, there's a lot of pain. It's not even close to the amount of pain from the liquidation candle we had a few weeks ago, but it is nevertheless very severe pain, and I'm not really sure, to be honest. They're gonna give me a lot of medicine, let's call it. You know, and let's see later how I feel after all of that medicine.
Medicine. Okay.
Yeah, it should be strong. I told the doctor, look, I can't even walk to the washroom, but in a few hours I have a panel in front of 1,000 people, or like maybe 2,000, I don't know. What can you give me? And he started naming a bunch of substances he wants to give me. So let's see if that works, and then I'll see you guys on stage in that case.
I mean, look, when I came out of the surgery, I went to the office 9 hours later to do the live stream.
That's crazy.
And I regretted it.
Oh,
like,
really?
Yeah, because I was with my mom and I was like holding on to my mom
Oh.
and I was like walking like this.
Oh.
Because they also gave me the painkillers, but they wear off. And when it
Yeah,
wears
yeah,
off,
yeah.
then it's nasty.
Yeah, right now mine worn off. Like I got like 5-6 hours ago. The pain now is crazy. I couldn't even look. I can't even drink the water. Like if I do this,
Oh
it
my
hurts
God.
too much. Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, dude, we're wishing you all the best. We're praying for you. Make sure to leave wonderful comments for Carl in the chat. We will go into some Bitcoin analysis shortly.
What's the Bitcoin price doing right now?
Bitcoin is
actually?
closing the CME gap.
Like we
Exactly
predicted both
as
of us.
predicted, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think that's exactly what should happen. We close the gap quickly and then we go up a little bit higher. I took a little bit of profits on my 2 trades I opened up just to kind of hedge that gap.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put the stop loss at break even. So if we break down to the gap and below, then I'll just re-enter my positions at that point. I think it's safer to do that. Right now, it's until the gap is closed, it's a little bit risky, I would say, to open. But you can open these limit orders. I know that you always show how to do it very well.
Yeah, we actually opened the limit order exactly at the CME gap. So at $111,000 on weeks, which you can sign up to if you wish to do that, because we're still not there yet, we are doing a limit buy order.
That's beautiful. And how are we doing in the trading competition, by the way?
We are third, but it's pretty annoying because we are very far away from first place. So we need to make sure, guys, that we're trying to trade the CME gap very nicely so that we can rank first, so that all of us can win more rewards and prizes.
Yeah, and something else which is very important is that you guys give CryptoKid 1,000 likes on this video.
Every like will make you feel better, right?
Every like will make me feel better. So, and we share the likes in this video, so it's 500 for CryptoKid, 500 for me. That would be great because I need every single like I can get. I have crazy pain right now.
I feel horrible for you, dude. Like it's because I felt pain, but I know for a fact that you're feeling 10 times the max pain I felt. So
I'm not sure about that, but like it just really hurts because I think I just don't have any painkiller right now, and also I think also because I went without surgery for like 10 days, so I had
made it worse, no?
You know, it was like like a when you got hurt and you have what's it called like
inflammation.
Blue and yellow.
Bruises. It bruises.
It was like super
and then
bruised.
it inflames.
Maybe, but imagine like a massive bruise, huge like that, and then there's surgery on that.
And they put metal inside of your body.
And then waking up the day after having someone like put a knife in your bruise, you know. I think that's probably what hurts even more right now.
I've heard that you need to accept. My grandma, she has like metal all over her body too.
Yeah.
And you have to like sort of accept that this thing is now a part of your body, apparently.
Yeah.
Otherwise your body may reject it and it causes you more pain.
I don't know.
But anyways, yeah, whatever.
I
Like
really don't know.
it's yeah,
I'm new
crazy
to this,
situation.
but it is still quite funny that I took over your exact room. Like, what are the odds?
It's like and the exact same day also. No, the day after.
Yeah,
You-
but it's so weird that first of all we get hurt, like we end up in a situation
Mhm.
similar time, and then that the same exact hospital, same exact room,
Same
and the
nurse.
same nurse.
It's insane.
That is funny.
Yeah, I wish it was a better coincidence
They
with
could
something
get a
else.
coincidence in the future. Yeah, maybe like
We buy the
a
same
couple
car
billion
on the
each.
same day.
Yeah, something like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's keep it like that. But,
Dude, well, I mean, yeah. Okay, let me just make sure the IV.
Yeah.
Guys, please wish Carl well. It's really really
Yeah,
horrible.
thank you guys, and thank you Crypto Kid for
No
joining
worries at
me
all.
on in the hospital here. I have
No
my
worries at all.
girlfriend here as well. She's sleeping, but she's also supporting. So
I saw your family came in too.
yeah. All is well.
He's in
All
good
is
hands.
well.
He's in good
Yeah.
hands. Well,
But-
guys.
But
yes.
in order for me to do the panel today, we
Mhm.
need 1,000 likes.
Okay, can you maybe ask very politely?
Guys, please, for the love of my collarbone, please give us 1,000 likes on this video. It would really mean everything to me. And if you want to see us on the are we gonna upload this like now?
Yeah,
or-
yeah.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to see me on the panel with CryptoKid, I think you're moderating.
I'm moderating it.
And Chris and Da Vinci, like it's gonna be insane. It's only like probably 50% chance I make it, maybe even 20%
Less.
chance. But if I make it, it's gonna be a blast. But even if I don't, you still have CryptoKid, Da Vinci, and Chris. So
Guys, thanks so much for your likes in advance. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon now on the Bitcoin TA. Okay, I found a quiet spot to go in and make the Bitcoin TA part of today's video. You can see that clearly from yesterday, Bitcoin has started to reverse and make its way down to come down to the CME gap, which is at $11,000-ish approximately. Over on weeks, I opened that limit order to buy into the CME gap, and I said, let's not FOMO, because FOMOing here is most likely not a good idea. If you go to the Bitcoin USD chart, yes, we broke above a lot of resistance. We were able to break above significant resistance from the bull and bear market support band. We were able to break above the resistance created from the VWAP, which is the volume, the volume trend. You were able to go above the resistance of the inverse head and shoulder / bullish pennant. But because this happened on a weekend, and because you have a CME gap, we're likely going to come down and reverse. However, everything does look okay in the macro, so I'm still planning on jumping into longs, and I really think you shouldn't be trapped here. And I think it's a possible idea to go in and open that limit order and add to the DCA positions that we've been creating since $77,000. But remember to be subscribed and watching every video, because I post on a daily basis, and we said that Bitcoin was going to come down and close the CME gap. Bitcoin not good, not good, not good. That was referring to the CME gap closure. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to trade, you can go to the first link in the description down below to Weeks or to Pinex to try their trading bots. If you deposit $100, you'll get a $100 bonus. And the panel that we're going to be having the discussion on is at Blockchain Live. It's about FOMO, FUD, and investor psychology, 1:30 p.m. today, Dubai time. And I'm looking forward to seeing as many of you as many of you as I can in a few hours' time. So guys, take care and bye-bye.